It's 6:15 a.m. We're in Peoria, Arizona, suburb of Phoenix. I've been riding for a little under an hour. Time to stop, have some of that delicious Jack-in-the-Box coffee, and then hit the road. Since it's almost summertime, I've been traveling south because I'm not looking into the sun like I would be in the wintertime. I've been discovering that there are a lot of things that you don't notice when you're in a car. And by the way, before I forget, the big news this morning is that I'm trying out the new handlebar grips. I like them a lot. There really wasn't anything wrong with the old grips, they were just getting worn. But when I saw these, I just had to have them. Look at that color. The two colors that I use on the trike are that fluorescent yellow-green and orange. Here, I'll show you. And this is a Trike GT. 18 gears, very, very light, and built for speed. But I don't go very fast on this thing. I just like the way it looks. I'm like an old guy in a Corvette. And I know that these videos make me look like I'm going faster than I really am, but it's more of a fast walking pace. I would say mostly about 4 or 5 miles an hour most of the time. Fast enough for me. It's already warming up a bit, so when I stop in the shade. And here I want to show you something. I'm turning around, reaching into the saddlebags, and I have a container with some chapstick and some wipes and things like that. I've always carried stuff like this around with me, even when I had a car. Sometimes people ask me if I'm going on a long trip. I carry so much. I have, sunscreen, water bottles, all kinds of stuff. And it isn't as if I'm way out in the wilderness. I'm in suburban Phoenix, but I really don't want to stop and buy stuff all the time. It costs money, and it spoils the mood. We're now going past Desert Cove. Dang, I like the sound of that name. You can tell that there was a time when this was out in the middle of nowhere. Like when that pole was built, there was no need for a sidewalk, so they built a sidewalk around it. And up ahead is one of those irrigation water gate things. It was obviously here long before the sidewalk was built, and they did the best they can with it. If you're walking, or you have a bicycle, there's enough space on the sidewalk, but it's a little bit too tight for me, so I go around it. Here, I'll show you. And this area is a combination of newer construction and older construction. The newer stuff has big, wide sidewalks like this. The older areas can be kind of tight, so I slow way down, watch where I'm going. Let's see, anybody coming? And I'm ready to go. Overall, I'd say I'm very impressed by this area. They did a good job with the sidewalks and the ADA compliant ramps and such. The visibility is excellent. I've got my bright colors on. I think I've got a better than average chance of surviving this trip. This is supposed to be fun, and it is. But I realize that the vast majority of people are not just out here having fun. They have places to go, things to do. So I slow down for buses, make sure that anybody who has anything to do has the right of way. Well, the next stop for me is Ira Murphy Park, which is hidden away in the neighborhood. Here we go. And for you locals, just to clarify, this is not Murphy Park, which is in Glendale. This is Ira Murphy Park, which is in Peoria. Thanks for riding along with me. I'll see you next time.